Are you looking to skyrocket your website traffic or Twitter followers? If yes, you're in the right place. Welcome to our deep dive into TrafUp, an ingenious online platform designed to boost your digital presence. In the simplest terms, TrafUp allows you to earn points by visiting other websites or following Twitter users. These points can then be assigned to your own website or Twitter profile, encouraging other users to visit or follow you. The more points you assign, the higher you appear in search results, attracting more traffic or followers. It's a system of give and take that's proven to be highly effective. And the best part? It's user-friendly enough for anyone to navigate. Even your grandma could use it to increase visitors on her blog or get more Twitter followers. So, are you ready to dive into the world of TrafUp and start attracting more visitors to your website or growing your Twitter following? Let's get started. To start using TrafUp, the first thing you need to do is create an account. It's free and quite straightforward. To get yourself going, head over to the TrafUp website and click on the Sign Up button. You'll be asked to provide some basic information including your email address and a password of your choosing. Make sure to remember these details as you'll need them to log into your account in the future. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields, click on Create Account. Almost immediately, you'll be greeted by a warm welcome and 50 bonus points, a little gift to get you started on your TrafUp journey. Now that you've created an account, you're ready to add your website or associate your Twitter account. You'll find this option under the Settings tab. Whether you're a blogger looking to increase your readership, or a Twitter influencer aiming to grow your follower count, TrafUp has got you covered. Once you've added your website or Twitter profile, it's time to assign some points. Think of these points as your currency within TrafUp. The more points you assign to your website or Twitter profile, the more likely other users are to visit or follow you. You can assign any number of points such as 5, 10, 15 and so on. These points are then deducted from your account whenever your website receives a new visitor or someone follows you on Twitter. So, make sure to keep an eye on your points balance and replenish it when needed. Remember, the higher the points assigned, the higher your website or profile appears in search results. This is crucial as TrafUp users prefer to visit websites or profiles that offer more points. Once you've assigned points to your website or Twitter profile, you're ready to start attracting users. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to drive more traffic to your site or Twitter profile. Stay tuned for the next steps on how to make the most out of your TrafUp experience. Now that you've set up your account and assigned points, it's time to start attracting users. The beauty of TrafUp lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. It's all about points, the currency of the platform. As you've already discovered, you assign points to your website or Twitter profile. But how does this draw in visitors or followers? It's simple. TrafUp users are always on the lookout for websites and profiles offering more points. In the world of TrafUp, points are a magnet for attention and engagement. So how does this work? Imagine your website or Twitter profile as a shining beacon in the vast ocean of the internet. The points you assign are like the intensity of that beacon's light. The more points you assign, the brighter your beacon shines, attracting more and more visitors to your digital shores. Not only do more points draw in more users, but they also boost your visibility in search results. It's a double win. Your website or Twitter profile doesn't just attract more users, it also climbs higher in the search results, making it even easier for potential visitors or followers to find you. The key takeaway here is this: assign more points to ramp up your visibility and draw in more visitors. It's an investment in your online presence, a way to drive engagement and grow your audience. And let's not forget, this isn't a one-way street. While you're attracting users to your website or profile, you're also part of a community. You too can explore, visit other websites, follow intriguing profiles, and interact with the content you find interesting. In a nutshell, TrafUp creates a thriving ecosystem where everyone can benefit. By assigning more points to your website or Twitter profile, you're not just boosting your own visibility, you're also contributing to the vibrant, dynamic community that is TrafUp. Remember, the more points you assign, the more visibility you get, and the more visitors or followers you attract. You might be wondering, what happens when I run out of points? Well, TrafUp has got you covered. Just like any ecosystem, TrafUp thrives on a give-and-take relationship. You've learned how to give points to boost your visibility. Now let's talk about how to earn those precious points back. Because, let's face it, you want to keep your website or Twitter profile up there in the search results, don't you? First off, you can earn points by visiting other websites listed on TrafUp. Yes, it's that simple. Just browse, explore, and rack up points. It's a great way to discover new content and ideas. all while keeping your TraffUp account buzzing. But that's not all. If you've associated your Twitter account with TraffUp, there's more to gain. You can earn points by following other users and retweeting messages. So not only do you grow your own Twitter following, but you also keep your TraffUp points balance healthy. It's a win-win situation, wouldn't you agree? As you engage with the TraffUp community, your points balance will naturally grow. But what if you want a quick boost? What if you're launching a new blog post or a Twitter campaign and want to reach a wider audience faster? Well, TraffUp has a solution for that too. You can purchase a points pack to instantly boost your account. These packs come in different sizes so you can choose what suits you best. This way, you can ensure your content remains visible and attractive to the TraffUp users, attracting more visitors and followers. Remember, your website, profile, and messages stay visible on TraffUp as long as you have points in your account. So it's crucial to keep earning points to maintain your visibility and reach. Earning points on TraffUp is as easy as visiting other websites or following other users. And if you want to give your account a boost, you can always purchase a points pack. By now, you should have a good grasp of how TraffUp works. But let's take a moment to summarize the benefits of using TraffUp. First and foremost, TraffUp is a platform designed with simplicity in mind. It's user-friendly and intuitive, making it accessible for everyone, from tech-savvy millennials to your tech-curious grandma. The primary benefit of TraffUp is its effectiveness in driving traffic to your website. By allowing you to assign points to your site, it ensures your website remains visible and attractive to other users. The more points you allocate to your site, the higher it appears in search results, thus increasing the likelihood of new visitors. But it's not just about website traffic. TraffUp also helps you grow your Twitter following. By associating your Twitter account with TraffUp and assigning points to your profile, you encourage other users to follow you. The result? A bustling Twitter profile with a growing follower base. Moreover, TraffUp is a platform that believes in rewarding its users. You earn points by visiting other websites, following Twitter users, retweeting messages, or simply referring friends. These points can then be used to promote your own website or Twitter profile, creating a cycle of mutual benefit. One of the standout features of TraffUp is its flexibility. It's not a one-size-fits-all platform. Whether you're a blogger looking to attract readers, a business aiming to increase your website's visibility, or a Twitter influencer hoping to expand your reach, TraffUp can be customized to suit your needs. And let's not forget, signing up for TraffUp is absolutely free. As a new member, you even get a bonus of 50 points to get you started. So, you can start reaping the benefits of TraffUp without any initial investment. With TraffUp, increasing your website traffic and Twitter followers is as easy as signing up, assigning points, and attracting users. So, why wait? Start using TraffUp today and watch your online presence grow.